Verisurf 2025 features an enhanced file import function that provides additional support for machine tool probing data. On-machine inspection is an efficient way to check parts in process without having to break setup and move the part to an inspection lab. Verisurf 2025 facilitates this approach by simplifying data import. The field mapping option in the data file import dialog provides a variety of new settings that simplify working with data collected through machine tool probing. These settings configure the file import to parse data from virtually any machine tool probing system, allowing you to quickly inspect parts regardless of machine or software. These new controls add versatility to an already powerful import function. Verisurf's feature extraction makes it easy to compare the imported data to a CAD model. The nominal geometry is first added to an inspection plan to specify which features to analyze, and the extraction settings are configured to select points within a threshold distance from nominal based on the probe radius. The plan is then run offline to create measured features from the probe data and compare them to the nominal values to report their deviations. With Verisurf 2025, you can take full advantage of your machine tool for in-process inspection, regardless of which system you're using.